Today, guys, Levi here, and today I just unboxed my new Nerf gun. It's like one of those little ones, like well, I had this one for a long time now, but just gotta get it. Okay, I gotta pause it for a second. Okay, I had to look for a pretty while now, and then I came in my room and okay. Right now I just have 2 bullets that it comes with and the gun. So I'm gonna see how it shoots. I'm gonna shoot it up in the air so you can see. I don't think you really saw that, but I'll do it again. This time you can actually see it. Okay. I think you can see it. Shoot it at the whiteboard. I think you guys saw that. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, bye. Have a good day.